I know many of us are looking for business opportunities. You're looking for that thing that you can do and will become a business that you can eventually start earning money from. And there's a whole lot of talk about moving the Nigeria economy from a consumer economy to a producing economy. And if we're going to really do that, it's going to start with each and every one of us. And I think a way to approach that will be to start looking at the things that we individually consume and find a way to start producing that thing. If, for example, you are somebody that consumes a lot of social media content, maybe you now have to start thinking about producing your own social media content. If you're a foodie and you know that you are always eating, then maybe you have to think of how do you serve people in your niche, people that are so passionate about food like you. And that might be a good place to really start thinking about a business journey, the things that you can do to eventually improve your finances, improve how much income you bring in. So, my challenge to you today, what is it that you consume? Is there a way that you can turn it around and move from being a consumer of that thing to a producer of it? And then you'll find your way eventually. Keep moving forward, keep rising higher, and soar like an eagle.